Give me freedom. One of the main advantages of having a local business, according to the owners, is the freedom and flexibility it gives you. You are capable of arranging your time to fit other needs. You get to decide what are priorities or not, what you specialize in or not, and hundreds of other decisions. Then, of course, there is always the life on the beach dream many have. But are you taking full advantage of your flexibility? There are many more things you could be doing to make use of it. In fact, local business flexibility is the advantage you have over big businesses. This is a marketing cheap as DIY video. We add new videos frequently, so please follow us so you don't miss them. Your agility is a trait that corporations cannot duplicate. So how could I take advantage of my flexibility? Marketing in big companies takes a lot of time, usually months, to put a campaign together. They have several departments wanting input and approval of the product. Even a quick turn marketing could take a couple of weeks. Your input and approval departments are small, usually just you or a handful of others. So, you can quickly decide on what and how you market something. Use this ability to stay on top of events and trends. I wish I did not have to say this, but do not market off of tragedies. But, unfortunately, some have, and it isn't very respectful. Your local high school winning basketball state championship would be an example of a local event that you could use. Provide special bundles, menu items, or discounts in honor of the winning team. You could also use national events such as Olympics. For example, you could use a female golfer winning the gold medal to market golf lessons or golf equipment. Always be thinking about how you can use events that attract attention to market your services or products. You can stay on top of new trends. Suddenly Space Alien Green is new in color. You can highlight the products you have that are the same green, or you can use Space Alien Green in your ads to attract attention. Or a band member or celebrity makes a certain haircut all the rage. As a stylist, you will want to let your customers know you offer this style. Remember the goat yoga trend? Unfortunately, you cannot always predict what will be the newest fad. But, you can always be on top of letting your customers know that you can offer it too. The second advantage is your employees. Use your flexibility when hiring employees. For example, you can offer work schedules that fit the needs of the employee. This flexibility will help you attract highly qualified employees and help you to retain your current employees. Please take advantage of it. The third is customer. Big business has their set prices and package deals. There is no individuality permitted with most of their offers. As a local business, you have the flexibility to create services or product bundles that serve your customers' needs. The customers love this individualized attention and are comfortable that they will get exactly what they want. You also have the ability to barter with your customer. I know bargaining with customers can be a big pain, but I am talking about a customer who has something you want. You can trade part of the cost for your service or products for them agreeing to provide something back to you in return. You can also set up coordination between your businesses where you recommend each other's services. Get flexible. Use your ability to be flexible wisely and watch your business grow. Spend some time researching the topic. We are frequently adding new content. If you want to make a request for a topic, please go to marketingcheapasdiy.com. We also have lessons that are connected to our intro. Please check them out.